Hi, and welcome to Dive Into Art, a high-energy event to savour art in all its forms, presented to you by the Bloomz Arthouse. Thank you so much for joining us today. We're super excited to share our art, our inspiration, our processes, and everything art related with you all. In this event, there are 8 amazing artists from around the world sharing with you their passion for art. A bonus to this event is that you will have the opportunity to win some awesome prizes and to meet my cat Henry, who wants to get in on the act. So, each artist channel will offer a £50 voucher to use with that particular artist. To be in the running for that voucher, you need to like, subscribe, and comment on that artist's premiering video before September 18th, midnight UK time. Each artist will draw a winner from those that meet that criteria on their video on September 19th, and the winners will be notified and listed on the Bloomz website. The links for that will be below this video. In addition to that, the Bloomz Arthouse has a mega prize on offer, a £400 voucher that can be spent with any of the Bloomz artists that you see today. To be in the running for that, you need to collect the secret word hidden in each of the artists' videos during this premiere. Collect those words and put them together, and they will form a secret phrase. Collect the secret phrase and submit it to the Bloomz Arthouse on their website on the Dive Into Art page. The link for that will be in the description box below, so you won't have any trouble finding it. Submit that by September 18th, midnight UK time, to be in the running. The winner will be announced on that page on the Bloomz website. Good luck to all of you. Next up is a little slideshow showing each of the artists and at least one piece of art that they currently have that would fit within the mega prize voucher if you want to choose their artwork. So sit back and enjoy and pick out your possible prize. So, without any further ado, let's get started and watching these amazing videos from these fabulous Bloomz Arthouse artists. First up is my channel. So, I'll put a link in the chat box and we can jump on over and get this party started. See you over there.